Today's video is a review of the Hydragun HeatPod Sauna blanket. With this blanket, you can get the benefits of a sauna, but from the comfort of your own home, which is so appealing to me. This blanket delivers full body heat therapy, so I'm going to unbox the product for you today and show you how simple it is to use. I'm so excited to try this blanket, especially since it sounds like a multitasking tool to me. It claims to have a lot of the same psychological and physical benefits as cardio exercise. It can raise your endorphins, lower your cortisol levels, decrease muscle soreness after workouts. It also claims to have anti-aging benefits from the release of heat shock proteins. These help promote cell regeneration. I received this product from Hydragun to generously review. It arrived in the mail yesterday, and here we are today setting it up. So this is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this quite impressive box. It is heavy but still manageable for myself. So this unit weighs 15 pounds. It has dimensions of 71 by 71 inches when it's unfolded. This product retails for $499 on their site. Here we have the instruction manual. We have the cable and remote control. The controller feels quite heavy duty as well. I'm already impressed. And here is the sauna blanket in this nice black zippered bag. The handles are quite sturdy as well. There's a double zip on the top. So the size of the blanket is not that much different of that of a comforter. Granted, it is heavier, but size-wise, I think it's not that crazy. Pretty manageable in a home. It is recommended to use the HeatPod on a heat-resistant surface, which would make sense. My first instinct is to want to use it on the bed, but they recommend doing it on the floor or on a yoga mat. So today we're going to try it on the floor. Once you turn on the power button, it goes to an automatic standard size setting of 85 degrees C. This translates to 176 degrees Fahrenheit. I am going to try it at the highest setting just to see what it's like. The duration for this blanket can be set between as little as 5 minutes or up to an hour. I'm going to try it at an hour, see how long I last. So this is the setup. It's a bit of an awkward filming angle, but I'm trying to show the best representation as I can of this product. There is an indentation for the head portion right here. So ideally both of your arms will be in this blanket. I've also added my own pillow, of course, because it's not comfortable without. So I have the remote to the right of me for convenience, but I don't feel like I'm going to be adjusting anything. I'm going to try it at the standard highest setting at first. Right now I am 10 minutes into it, and I'm already starting to feel the heat. Generally when I feel like this, I feel like fighting it and drinking water, cooling down. So it's definitely a feeling that you have to get comfortable with. But that is the whole idea of a sauna anyway, if you were to go to a traditional one. Initially I was intending to watch TV while doing this, but I feel like the extra sound kind of ruined this more relaxing and therapeutic experience. So right now I'm 25 minutes in and I'm starting to really feel it. Even my head feels sweaty. Luckily I'm washing my hair after this, so I don't care if I sweat all over it. But definitely there's sweat even on my arms, on my chest, and for sure on my legs. I can just feel it, but that means it's working. Honestly, this is quite relaxing and I'm not as bored as I thought. I thought I was going to want to be scrolling on my phone, but instead I'm still just doing my deep breathing, trying to sit in my thoughts, and trying to slow down my pace. I like that the top of the blanket has little magnetic closures right here, but obviously my arm is sticking out so I can't demonstrate to that. And potentially the pillow would be getting in the way of the magnetic closures, but that is one really good way to keep all the heat in. But I can literally feel sweat dripping down my neck and on my chest, so that is a good sign we are getting maximum benefit. So we are exactly 30 minutes in and I feel like we've had enough. I can literally feel the sweat on my arm, so I think we're good. Let me just show you how effective this was. There is a lot of sweat. I'm not sure if this is TMI, but I actually want to show the results of this. So here you can see, yeah, that's quite a bit of sweat. Look at that, that's pretty impressive just from laying there 30 minutes in. Luckily, I'm gonna wash my hair right after this because it actually got quite sweaty as well. I feel like I just did a workout in a high humidity area. I'm going to show you how easy it is to wipe this mat clean. Here I have a damp washcloth and you literally just run it over. It's that simple. So I am very pleasantly surprised with this product. It was easy to set up. All I had to do was hook up the power cable, turn on the power. It heated up within minutes. I do recommend starting off at their initially highest setting, which is what I did. I did a 30-minute long session, which I felt for me was adequate. They do recommend placing the mat on a heat-resistant surface, so that's what I have right now on my floor. I see other people online that do it on their bed, but I'm not sure if that would cause the unit to overheat, and I don't want to take any chances. So this is day 2 of using the HeatPod. Yesterday I used it for the first time. I did a 30-minute session. The temperature I left at the highest setting, and I think I will do the same again today. So right now we are 15 minutes into it. And now the sauna blanket is fully heated up to 85 degrees Celsius or 176 degrees Fahrenheit. That took exactly 15 minutes or roughly 11.5 degrees per minute. So I just finished day 2 of using the sauna. I did a total of 55 minutes. Granted, the first 15 were like the warm-up period, but I did lay for a solid 55 minutes. It's actually crazy how much sweat I got. My face got super flushed. I have sweat all over my neck and over my legs. I feel good releasing the toxins. And I hear the thing that we sweat out the most would be sodium. This is how much sweat I got today. It's pretty incredible. I did a total of 55 minutes. That is crazy. One of the accessories in the higher end package, which has a retail price of $699, is this nice waffle knit blanket. This is what it looks like. It says HeatPod by Hydragun. So the intention for this towel is you can use the HeatPod without your clothes getting all sweaty. And I'm just surprised with how big this blanket actually is. So here we have the footrest, which will help for your back support. It has this nice vegan leather as well. And I love that there's a zipper on the back as well, making it super easy to wipe down and clean. So this one will obviously lay flat on the ground and there's a nice curve to it. Here we have the pillow. This is a great size as well. In the corner it has the logo HeatPod by Hydragun. I see this product as being a great addition to your evening routine. Right before you shower, you could just do it for 30 minutes, unwind with some Netflix, or you could even play some spa music, do some deep breathing, which is what I did. It is very easy to wipe this blanket down with water and a wet washcloth, so technically you could share it with other people in your household. I'm not sure if I would do that because I feel like I would want to like thoroughly clean it every single time, but that's definitely a possibility because it is easy to clean. During the session, I did feel my heart rate increasing, which was a good sign. I am hoping we were able to get into the anaerobic or fat burning state, but you would need a heart rate monitor to actually track and see what was going on. I like the size of this mat as well. Once it's folded and put into its storage bag, it's no bigger than your standard size comforter, and I'm sure you could find room in your closet or even under your bed to store this. Overall, I think this is a great and relaxing product and something that you could easily implement into your evening workout routine. Overall, I think this product is really relaxing. I want to thank Hydragun for sending me this product for review. I hope this was helpful. Leave a comment down below if you've tried a sauna blanket before or do you prefer to use a traditional sauna. With that being said, that should do it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I'll see you in my next video. Thanks for watching.